What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian. Happy New Year. This is ingredients for famous Russian New Year dish on a table called Salat Olivier or Stolichny. You know, vodka Stoli, Stolichная, same thing. So, ingredients. I guarantee you it's in almost every single table right now. So I'm doing this for years. Maybe I already did the video a while, but here we go, the new one. So main ingredients: beef. I never use any different. Some old days we use like bologna sausage because it was an issue with the meat. You just cannot get it in old days Soviet Union. Potatoes. This is about 2 pounds, about six average size potatoes. Pickles like this, all right, without any extra taste. This is the best, and this is only like keeping refrigerated. It's cool stuff. Mayo, hard boiled eggs, carrots, and peas. That's main thing. Different families adding some different stuff. When I was kid, uh, my grandmother tried to put apples. Ooh, I said sorry. So I always like taking them out. Then they stop adding them. Anyway, so everything boiling depends how you condition of the meat. I like to chew it, you know, about 25 minutes. Potatoes depends again. Some families cutting precisely, I'm okay with this, so I kind of just chop and go. This mayo is good. Um, our Russian store far away from me, like 40 minutes drive. They have some Russian stuff, but this is good. This is very close to authentic. So let's put everything together because right now it's already cool, good to go. Ta-da! Done. I didn't mention the salt. I'm boiling everything with the salt, so you need to be careful with this. Maybe just when you put it in your plate, add some salt extra. So that's it. Some people putting cucumbers. I won't recommend. Maybe summertime, you need to finish it same day. This one tomorrow will be even better. Happy New Year!